What's up, Bruce?
How's it
Hey, I was
going?
calling, or I'm in the call. You just piqued my curiosity. Have you have you experimented at all with agents like Claude Bot or anything like that too? Because I'm thinking FOREWARN obviously has the highest quality of data because it's a safety tool,
hmm
but it's one by one.
hmm
Have you experimented at all with that kind of thing?
I've dabbled with agents a little bit. Like I've got a Codex agent basically set up. I have a Claude plugin that's set up. It's just I've just dabbled with it at this point, but I haven't really perfectly set up any routine processes that agents are doing. So I've had some agents go out and do certain things for me just to kind of troubleshoot it. And I plan to soon set it up where just on a repeat schedule, I can have it access the probate records every Friday at 2. And on a repeat schedule, I can have it maybe plug in. It doesn't work with PropStream, I don't think, but plug in to PropStream and do the skip tracing for me. Those things just have to be set up. Once they're set up, they'll just run in the background for you. But the setting up processes takes a little bit of work. Yeah. It'll do the work for you. You're back on mute, by the way. It'll do the work for you, but you're gonna spend some sessions building your program.
Okay, cool. I
Yeah.
like it. I was just curious.